Ben!
Han Solo.
My son.
Will you help me?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hit the target hard. Give it everything you got.
We aren't getting inside that oscillator just yet.
Let's send down their defenses. Red Squadron, Blue Squadron, do your thing. Aye, aye, Captain. Remember, when the sun is gone, that weapon will be ready to fire. But as long as there's light, we got a chance. Keep up that intensity and give them everything you got.
Blackbeard, are you sure we'll get inside the oscillator?
Yes, and we'll destroy it. Keep on shooting their defenses. We can do this.
The last of their cannons are down.
All right, keep going. Look out for ground fire. That's all their towers taken care of. I'm taking damage. Copy that. I'm coming to support.
Black Leader, there's a brand new hole in that oscillator.
We did it! The oscillator doors are open!
All teams, I'm going in. I love me a trench run. Look out! We can't afford to lose you.
The Falcon's this way.
Traitor!
Oh!
That lightsaber, it belongs to me.
Come and get it.
No one will stand in my way. Not Han, not you.
I'm still getting used to this thing, so bear with me.
Fight me! Let me put you out of your misery! You don't deserve to wield that saber! Give it to me!
He wants us to follow him.
It's probably a trap, but we can't let him get away. I see his footprints. He went this way.
Rupert, fire!
A scavenger and a traitor. You two are pathetic.
This whole planet is falling apart.
We can't let him get away with what he's done. You're a monster.
It's just us now. Han Solo can't save you.
You won't win. You can't.
Watch me.
Finn!
It's the ones who destroyed the base.
You sure you're okay, Finn?
I'm fine. We have to stop him. Let's just find a way past this thing.
I see him. Engage.
Come on! Let's end this! Think what you could achieve with the proper training! You need a teacher. I can show you the ways of the Force. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah.